the upper 60s. South winds 5 to 10 miles an hour. Friday night, mostly clear. Lows in the upper 40s. Saturday, mostly sunny. Highs in the mid-70s. Saturday night, mostly clear. Lows in the upper 40s. Sunday, mostly sunny. Highs in the mid-70s. Sunday night, most cloudy. 70s, left. Monday, partly cloudy. Highs in the mid-70s. Monday night, partly cloudy. A chance of showers after midnight. Lows in the lower 50s. Chance of rain 30%. Tuesday, partly cloudy with a 30% chance of showers. Highs in the lower 70s. Now looking at the weather patterns affecting the southern Great Lakes and Ohio Valley region. A large upper-level low-pressure system continues to support precipitation chances through this morning, along with colder temperatures as northwesterly flow and cold air advection dominate the area. Drier and warmer conditions arrive near the end of the work week as the system finally moves off to the east and is replaced with surface high pressure. This is NOAA weather. All hazards radio station TIH 42, Covington, Kentucky. Broadcasting on a frequency of 162.55 megahertz in serving southwest Ohio, northern Kentucky, and southeast Indiana, including the greater Cincinnati tri-state area. This broadcast originates from the National Weather Service Office at Wilmington, Ohio. Here are the 11 a.m. weather conditions at the Cincinnati, Northern Kentucky International Airport under fair skies. The temperature was 42 degrees below 30. Warning service possible. The warning alarm will be activated for watches and warnings affecting the following counties. In south central Indiana, Clark, Floyd, Harrison, Jefferson, Scott, and Washington. In north central Kentucky, Bullitt, Henry, Jefferson, Nelson, Oldham, Shelby, Spencer, and Trimble. This concludes the test of the NOAA Weather Radio Warning Alarm and Emergency Alert System. We now return you to regular programming. At Dayton, Indiana, Fayette, Franklin and Union, and Mason, Kentucky, and the following counties in Ohio. Brown, Butler, Claremont, Clinton, Hamilton, Highland, and Warren. Freeze watch remains in effect from this evening through Thursday morning. What? Sub-freezing temperatures as low as 27 possible. Where? Portions of rain central and southeast Indiana, northeast and northern Kentucky and central, south central, southwest and west central Ohio. When? From this evening through Thursday morning. Impacts. Frost and freeze conditions could kill crops and other sensitive vegetation. Take steps now to protect tender plants from the cold. Here is a freeze warning for the following counties in Indiana. Dearborn, Ohio, Ripley, and Switzerland, and the following counties in Kentucky. Boone, Bracken, Campbell, Carroll, Gallatin, Grant, Kenton, Owen, Pendleton, and Robertson. Freeze watch remains in effect from this evening through Thursday morning. Freeze warning will be allowed to expire at 10 a.m. this morning. What? Sub-freezing temperatures as low as 28 possible. Where? Portions of southeast Indiana and northern Kentucky. When? For the freeze watch, from this evening through Thursday morning. Impacts. Frost and freeze conditions could kill crops and other sensitive vegetation. Take steps now to protect tender plants from the cold. Here is a public information statement. The following NOAA All Hazards Weather Radio transmitter, KZZ-49 in Maysville, Kentucky, or frequency 162.425 MHz is currently off the air due to a problem with phone line communications. We hope to restore service soon. We apologize for any inconvenience. Now here is the official National Weather Service forecast for southwest Ohio. Rest of today, mostly sunny. Highs in the lower 50s. West winds 10 to 15 miles an hour. Tonight, clear in the evening, then becoming partly cloudy. Unseasonably cold with lows in the upper 20s. Southwest winds 5 to 10 miles an hour. Thursday, partly cloudy. Highs in the upper 50s. Southwest winds 5 to 20 expected with gusts. upper 60s. South winds 5 to 10 miles an hour. Friday night, mostly clear. Lows in the upper 40s. Saturday, mostly sunny. Highs in the mid-70s. Saturday night, mostly clear. Sprinkles in the upper 40s. Sunday, mostly sunny. Highs in the mid-70s. Sunday night, mostly clear. Lows in the upper 40s. Monday, partly cloudy. Highs in the mid-70s. Monday night, partly cloudy. A chance of showers after midnight. Lows in the lower 50s. Chance of rain 30%. Tuesday, partly cloudy with a 30% chance of showers. Highs in the lower 70s. Now looking at the weather patterns affecting the southern Great Lakes and Ohio Valley region. A large upper-level low-pressure system continues to support precipitation chances through this morning, along with colder temperatures as northwesterly flow and cold air advection dominate the area. Drier and warmer conditions arrive near the end of the south wind system finally moves off to the east and is replaced with surface high pressure. Here are the 11 a.m. weather conditions at the Cincinnati, Northern Kentucky International Airport. Under fair skies, the temperature was 42 degrees, and the relative humidity 57%. The wind west at 14 miles an hour. The barometric pressure was 30.02 inches and steady miles an hour. And now the conditions for selected locations in Ohio, Kentucky, and Indiana. At Lunken Airport Fair, and 45. In Wilmington, cloudy, and 44. At Hamilton Fair, and 46. At Lebanon Fair, and 44. Up in Columbus, cloudy, and 42. Over in Indianapolis Fair, and 39. And down in Louisville Fair, and 43. In Oxford Fair, and 46. Once again at 11 a.m. at the Cincinnati, Northern Kentucky International Airport, it was 42 degrees under fair skies. Here is a freeze watch for the following counties in Indiana: Fayette, Franklin and Union, and Mason, Kentucky, and the following counties in Ohio: Brown, Butler, Claremont, Clinton, Hamilton, Highland, and Warren. Freeze watch remains in effect from this evening through Thursday morning. What? Sub-freezing temperatures as low as 27 possible. Where? Portions of east central and southeast Indiana, northeast and northern Kentucky and central, south central, southwest and west central Ohio. When? From this evening through Thursday morning. Impacts: frost and freeze conditions could kill crops and other sensitive vegetation. Take steps now to protect tender plants from the cold. Here is a freeze warning for the following counties in Indiana: Dearborn, Ohio, Ripley, and Switzerland, and the following counties in Kentucky: Boone, Bracken, Campbell, Carroll, Gallatin, Grant, Kenton, Owen, Pendleton, and Robertson. Fridge Lake. It was sunny with a temperature of 37. Freeze warning will be allowed to expire at 10 a.m. this morning. What? This is the National Weather Service office in Wilmington, Ohio. The preceding signal was a test of the weather radio station KIH 42 Covington, Kentucky, public warning system. During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially built receivers can be automatically activated by the signal to warn of the impending hazard. Tests of the signal and receiver's performance are normally conducted by the National Weather Service between 11 a.m. and noon each Wednesday. If there is a threat of severe weather, the test will be postponed to the next available good weather day. Reception of this broadcast, and especially the warning alarm tone, will vary at any given location. This variability, normally more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter, can occur even though you are using a good quality receiver in good working order. The warning alarm tone will be activated for hazardous watches and warnings for the following counties in Ohio: Brown, Butler, Claremont, Clinton, Hamilton, Highland, and Warren. In Kentucky: Boone, Bracken, Campbell, Carroll, Gallatin, Grant, Kenton, Mason, Owen, Pendleton.
warn of the impending hazard. Tests of the signal and receiver's performance are normally conducted by the National Weather Service between 11 a.m. and noon each Wednesday. If there is a threat of severe weather, the test will be postponed to the next available good weather day. Reception of this broadcast, and especially the warning alarm tone, will vary at any given location. This variability, normally more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter, can occur even though you are using a good quality receiver in good working order. The warning alarm tone will be activated for hazardous watches and warnings for the following counties in Kentucky: Carroll, Franklin, Gallatin, Grant, Harrison, Henry, Pendleton, Owen, Scott, and Shelby. And in Indiana, Switzerland. This concludes the weekly test of weather radio station KZZ, 48 Owenton, Kentucky. Now here is the official National Weather Service forecast for northern Kentucky and parts of southeast Indiana. Rest of today, sunny. Highs in the lower 50s. West winds 10 to 15 miles an hour. Tonight, mostly clear. Unseasonably cold with lows in the upper 20s. Southwest winds 5 to 10 miles an hour. Thursday, partly cloudy.